Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of an LeetCode, which is minimum distance between the BST node. So in this question there is given a binary root, means a root of an BST, and you have to find the minimum difference between any two different node of a tree. Okay, so here is given a all the nodes of an BST. Then you just have to find the difference of any two different nodes of a binary tree. Okay, I mean, sorry, minimum difference. You have to find the minimum difference of binary tree. So let's do this. You have to check if root is equals to null. If it is null, okay, sorry, first I will create a vector int val, and then in order of root comma val and int min value equals to int max. For you have to check for, then I will find the for int I equals to 0, I less than val dot size, and then I plus plus. Okay, you have to find the minimum value. Min value is equals to minimum of min val comma value of I minus value of I minus 1. Okay, and after this you just have to return min val. Let's write the function for the in order. Void in order first you have to find tree node star root comma vector comma int ampersand val. You have to check if root is equals to null. If it is null, then you just have to return. Okay, because it is in void function, so you don't have to return anything. And then you just have to find again pass the function with root ka left comma val and val dot push back root ka val. Okay, and again you will pass the function with root ka right and root ka right comma val. Okay, so let's run this code. There is an error. Let's find. Okay, I have to start from 1. Then let's again run this. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.